Okay, hello guys. I am back. I just wanted to show you this is a real quickie short video. So I wanted to let you know the whole schedule is up. Sometimes they hold back some of it, but I've already checked and the whole schedule for the entire day is already up. So you can check and you can shop all the items throughout the day. You don't have to wait. A lot of it is repeat and repeats, so it's not going to be that difficult. But I just wanted to let you know that the whole schedule for HSN Craft Day is up. The other thing that I wanted to let you know is, yes, the craft sale, the secret sale is also up. I don't know if it'll come up with the secret sale. What I do know is the magic words are craft happy. So just search up here in the search bar. You're going to put craft happy and it'll bring up the secret sale, and then you can do, it's only 6 pages. There's not a ton. I've already picked up my things. My order is already in, so I'm out because I don't trust you guys. It's like, no, I want it first. I even missed out on stuff. Okay, so there you go. Because instead of doing it all from the stop, I don't know which way you went, but I went Anna Griffin and then die cutting and then tools and accessories and then stamping and crafter's companion. I went all the way slowly, and a lot of these will overlap. So you might as well just go 6 pages. You might as well go start to finish. So there you go. But I wanted to let you know that. The other thing that I didn't anticipate, but it was announced early on, is that there is a Halloween sale. So if you type in Halloween crafts, here, I'll do it for you. So if I can, oh my gosh, if I could type Halloween crafts, but spell it right, okay? Don't be like me and not type and can't type. So Halloween crafts, and again, it will bring this up. There it is. There it is. Here you've got your sale. Everything that's on sale is well, actually the boutique, I don't know what came up. So, well, I guess we have some Halloween stuff that's on sale. So I didn't know that. But if you put in Halloween crafts, oh, look at Minnie. Oh, I love Bubble Bar. Okay, I gotta stop looking. Stop looking, Mara, stop looking. Okay, so anyway, so obviously Halloween stuff's on sale on HSN. So there you go. This is what you get for trusting me and being able to do things right. Let's start this again. Halloween crafts. Yes, let's see because I was there a minute ago. There we go. So now it brings up all of the Halloween crafts, and all Halloween kits, anything crafting Halloween related, is 30% off, guys. So if there's stuff that you've been wanting to pick up and you hadn't picked it up yet, now would be a good time. Like, look, this one, you guys saw me. I revealed this. I haven't done anything with it yet. Maybe I'll try to do it in the next couple of days before Halloween. So at least you see what it is. So, but there it is. These guys are 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks. All right. And I think and if I'm not wrong, it doesn't show here. If you see the shipping and handling shows $5.50. Actually, it's a $7.50 box. So everything that you put in your bag, will total out. The most you will pay in shipping is $7.50 total. So hello. So do it. And it's 4 flex pays this time around. So you're a little short on cash. Well, hello. It becomes 4 flex pays of $4.94. So you lose nothing, guys. I just wanted to bring you up to speed on that we have a Halloween craft sale. We've got the secret sale, and then there's the whole schedule. So it shows everything. And again, as I think I said yesterday in my video, let me look. I clicked on the wrong thing. Whoops. And now I really clicked on the wrong thing. Why am I at light bulbs? Why am I at light bulbs? Why do I do things this? Okay, so let's try this again. Oh my goodness. Program guide. Let's do it again. So here we go. I'm just going to go to the one that already passed. Actually, it already passed. So there it is. There's your TSV, guys. The today's special value is the Anna Griffin Empress Elite machine. It comes with 2 sets of plates, and the machine itself, it doesn't come with any dies, but if you want, you can either buy the machine by itself or you get the auto ship. And like I said, the auto ship, I believe, is showing up as $32.95 each, somebody said. So, there you go, guys. I will admit, I'm not picking it up. I have my Empress. Mine is 4 years old. I picked it up right at the beginning of the pandemic. I love it. I don't need another one. So we're going to let that one fly. But if you don't have an electronic die cutter and you want my opinion, I love my Empress. Absolutely love it to death. The plates are almost indestructible. I have been using the same set of plates for 4 years now, and I do a lot of cutting. And I will show you in my next project. I mean, I broke out for cutting for Create 10. I cut out 6 kits already for the out of the 9 classes. I broke out brand new cutting mats. And not that, but not the what I'm talking about is the magnetic mat, because you cut into the magnetic mat. So it's still, you can see it's, from brand new to, oh my gosh, I've done a ton of cutting and it's still working great. So what does wear out faster are the magnetic mats. So you do want to replace those from time to time, but in the time, again, I've had my machine, I've maybe replaced, I just barely replaced the big one for the second time, maybe. For sure once, maybe second. The little ones, this is going on the third one. I'm going on my third one because I use that one more. But they last forever. And you could tell the difference when it's not cutting so well. So just throw in the metal shim and you're good and you're gold for a while longer. Okay. So I'm just saying, if you're going to do it, in my personal opinion, you don't need to buy the plates. You want to buy more magnetic mats. Okay. So anyway, on that note, guys, I'm going to let you go. Hopefully you are happy with these little tidbits I gave you. Otherwise, I mean, here we go. HSN Chisme. All right. So that's the gossip for the moment. I just wanted to let you know. So if you're happy that I told you, then give me a like. Yay. But go ahead, drop me a note if you want. If you want to see more of this madness, I will always keep you up to date on what's going out there as best I can. All right, peeps. So subscribe and ring that bell. I will be back. All right. I already got Funfold Fridays already up waiting for you guys. I'm gonna try to get some more cards done tonight. It didn't happen. I was watching I was shopping myself, and really, I got a new card from Timu, and I'll have to show you guys. And I've been really working the room today. So anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Have a great evening, guys. Have a great day shopping, all right? I will talk to you guys later. Have a great one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. As always, go out there and craft, my friends. Make something beautiful, and always remember that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference with your craft, all right? And as always, never forget, we're all a little mad here on this channel. So come on, folks, craft the madness with me, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.